Hey there, this is Turun, a digital marketing meta advertiser. Today I would like to show you that how you will make a video ad script for your campaign. Okay, now you can see this is my prompt. You can make video ad script the two way. First one, you can use your ad copy, and second one, you can use your competitors voice over. So first of all, I would like to show you how you will make video ad script with the help of your ad copy. All right, and how to make the best ad copy. So if you want to know, so you have to go for my previous video. Okay, let's me copy it, then I will go to the chat gtp. Okay, now let me paste it here. So then I should go my ad script, a video, sorry, ad copy. This is my ad copy, and how to make a ad copy. So now you can see this is my functional ad copy: customers pain point, dream and concern, risks in action, and avatar voice. So this is the full process. If you want to know, so you must watch my previous video. Okay, let me copy it, then I will copy. After that, let's go. Yeah, now you will see the magic. Now let's see the magic. uh, Let me show you that why is so important. First, awareness, interest, desire, action, and second one, problem, agitate, solution, or problem, promise, proof, social, sorry, and proposal. So this best way you can make your script. Now you can see the full process. First one is hook. This is the hook, and second one is the problem and agitate, and solution, objection handling, and the last one is the call to action. All right, so now I will just command you, give me the uh, voice over only. Okay, okay, this is the voice over. You can see uh, I personally use Google AI generative studio. So, and if my business owner want to record with his vocal, so I will send it, and then he will back me. Okay, now I will show you that how you will make the voice over with the help of Google AI studio. This is a simple process that you should do. Okay, let me copy my voiceover, then come back and paste it here, and you can change the voice. I personally use this.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Now it's generating.
Florida homeowners, be honest. Does your kitchen feel like it's stuck in 2005?
It is done. After that, I will download. Then I personally use CapCut.
If your kitchen feels dark, dated, or honestly a little embarrassing, listen closely. Every day you walk in and think, I'm tired.
Okay, that's all about it. That's already. And next, I will show you how you will use your competitor voice over